Now we're going to talk about installing the optional ground strap to the travel antenna mount. To do that, we'll need 3 tools: 9/16 wrench, flat blade screwdriver, and some pliers. When you get the ground strap, it will come with a clamp and a ground strap with 2 different size rings on it. First thing we want to do is take the clamp and flatten out the 2 strain relief tangs at the back of the clamp. After that, we'll look for the smaller of the 2 ring terminals and we'll install that under the screw. Okay, now that we've got the ring terminal under the screw of the clamp, we'll move on to the larger of the ring terminals. Here we'll need a 9/16 wrench to loosen the base bolt that holds on the mount to the clamp. Okay, loosen that, and note the orientation: plunger to the left, antenna bracket facing 90 degrees straight up. It can be mounted in any way you would like, 90 degrees apart, but for most applications this would be the proper orientation. So we'll take the bolt with a lock washer on it, place it through the ring as such, place it back through the clamp, mounting bracket, keeping the orientation the way it was, 90 degrees to each other, and tighten down the 9/16 bolt. You want to tighten it down to approximately 20 foot-pounds so there's no movement. And that's it. Your ground strap is now attached and ready for installation.